So let's take a look at our Giving Online option. You can click on the link below in the information button of this video, which takes you to shadowrockchurch.com/give, or if you go onto our website, shadowrockchurch.com, you'll see at the top of the screen is a button called Give, and then you'll select Give to SRC. Once you're in Give to SRC, you'll want to scroll down to the Give Now button and press that. Once you're at the Give Now button, you can type in your dollar amount. So you can type in $1, but you don't want to be that guy. So in this example, we're going to type in $1,000 because I'm sure you'll want to be that guy. Whatever the amount is you want to give, you'll type that in the giving area. Now you have two options. One is a one-time gift option or a setup reoccurring gift option. The reoccurring gift option allows you to set up your gift for giving every week, every other week, or every month. You can even specifically pick the 1st and 15th day of the month to give, if that's the format that you want to give. So let's just set up a recurring entry for giving every month. The next thing we want to do is select our date. Typically that would be today's date. And then we want to look at the category of giving. It will automatically default to general tithes and offerings. That's just the general undesignated gift. If you were giving to some other ministry in Shadow Rock Church, you could click that and highlight the ministry to which you would like to give, and then close that by selecting the gift you want. We're going to keep it on general tithes and offering. The next step is to verify your mobile number. You'll type your mobile number, 760, and whatever your number is, and then you hit send code. A text will be sent to your cell phone that includes a number, a security code. You'll type in the security code and you can confirm the code. The next step will be to add a new payment method. If you have never used the app before, you'll click on a new payment method, enter your credit card number, the expiration date, the CVV code, which is the 3-digit code on the back of your card, and your mailing zip code. Once you have entered that, you'll press Next. The final step is to then select that card and schedule your reoccurring gift by selecting Schedule Reoccurring Gift.